Yeah, as you know, we test a lot of Stiga tools, and in fact, you've seen me doing the Stiga strimmer here, and I just wanted to show you. Here's the battery points. There's one each side on this machine here. You can see, and just turn it round for you, and you can see all the instructions there of what batteries it should be having. Most Stiga, pretty well all Stiga, will come with a charger and batteries. And the good thing about the Stiga one that we're looking at here is it's got a charger, and as you can see, it's got a line of 4 green lights which go right down to 1 when you're running the machine, and then the machine will stop because it's run out of power. But you can check when it's running out of power, so you don't start doing an area of grass and then find that you can't finish it. However, then you pop them onto charge, and in fact, you know, say about an hour and they'll be fully charged. You can see them flashing. What happens is, and I'll point it out, you can see them flashing there, and then the light down here will go green when they're fully charged, and the lights will go off on those bars. And then you can plug them back into your machine, and off you go, strimming again, or chainsawing, or even using those clippers that we use, you know, those nice pruners. So the saw, the pruners, or strimmer, all good Stiga stuff, has the same battery. They're interchangeable, which makes it a very, very useful tool.